Hi, I'm Chris Tague. Welcome to this episode of Repair Tag, Season 2. Louis Schreiber was a famous cornet player and manufacturer of brass instruments in New York from 1858 to 1870. While he started manufacturing cornets, he later built some very unique instruments referred to as Schreiber horns. There were 34 of them known to exist until about 6 months ago when number 35 came to light. I recently had the privilege of working on 2 of them belonging to a local collector. They were damaged in transit from a conference featuring several Schreiber horns. The E-flat alto Schreiber horn just needed some dents removed, while the B-flat tenor Schreiber horn had more significant damage. The ferrule at the top of the valve section came loose and the valve section shifted toward the bottom of the horn in shipping. It also caused the bottom bow to be dented and to crack. After removing the valve section, I corrected the ferrule and the pipe ends. I then flowed a special solder into the crack to strengthen the area so I wouldn't have to add an unsightly nickel patch. It's not every day that I get to work on such fantastic, historically significant horns. This was a real treat. Brian Shaw is our guitar and amp tech here at Tague Band Instrument Services. A Fender Bassman Head came in for a problem with the power switch. This particular head had been heavily modified. First, Brian pulled the chassis out of the cabinet. Then he checked for stored voltage in the filter caps. Brian discharged the filter caps by using a 1 ohm resistor from the first pin of a 12AX7 to ground. After discharging, he double checks the voltage. Working on power amplifiers can be very dangerous. Please don't try doing this yourself. Leave it to the professionals. Next, Brian removes the broken switch and unsolders the wires. Then he installed the new switch and resoldered the wire connections. After testing the new switch, Brian reassembles the chassis into the cabinet and it's ready to go.